guys, welcome back to Kiwi's Journey. In this video, I am going to be acting like my bird Kiwi, and so yeah, let's just get into it.
So guys, this is my bird Kiwi. Say hi! If you guys are new, this is what she looks like. Yeah!
Guys, I got my white shirt and a little bit of yellow in there. And yeah, I got a stinger on this shirt, but it's fine. It's just about the color, so yeah, let's get started.
Knock on door. Knock on door.
watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys sort of had a little laugh in there, at least one part. I enjoyed making this video. What about you? Okay. I would also like to add, make sure to follow Kiwi on Facebook. It's called Kiwi's Journey, so yeah, go check that out. You're adorable. We love you. Don't we love you? Yeah, you a good birdie. Hope to see you in the next video. You sneezing? Say bless you. Bye.